I'm not gonna lie, because
that's some real estate though from here to there. I would be too worried.
Still too
I'm gonna
close
give it
for
like
me.
maybe one more. And then we'll clear out. We got a spot you can hop in the back and you just like kind of wait this out. Get that going and stuff. So were you this close to anything like with the tornado chasing?
No, I mean, I was definitely like storm when that would really go. It definitely wasn't like we're essentially in a storm right now.
Yeah.
We on the cold air drop. I definitely felt some cooler air from a storm like that.
It's just disappearing.
Quite literally a long rain. There's a horseshoe on there. Oh, kind of, sort of. Not that part of the storm's over there.
Man, I thought the weather story of this trip was going to be shooting stars tonight. That last crack was up over here.